Hey guys, I hope that you are learning well at home and that you are able to get all your work done. Today we're going to work on a map of the 13 colonies, so make sure that you have this map out with you while you watch this video. Last week you learned a bit about how we got here to America. You learned about the Great Awakening here and lots of the changes that were going on. And today we're going to work on a map of the 13 colonies and just kind of have a key so that way you can see the different aspects of the colonies. I'm only going to do the stuff that's on the key right here, so that's just mostly these states and colonies right here. But y'all need to color the whole map. It needs to be fully colored, even the trees and the animals and all that stuff. I want you to mark the rivers. I'll go ahead and do that too. But I want you to mark the rivers blue, show the bodies of water, all of it, even the oceans need to be colored. So make sure that you have it all done. For the British flag that's up at the top, it has words to show you what colors go where. So make sure that you follow that correctly and you color it correctly, because it will be a grade for this map. So make sure you mark it all correct. Okay? And now we're going to get started on the colonies. So the first ones that we're going to do is the New England colonies. Make sure that you color in your key as well whenever you're coloring in the colonies, so that way I know which are which, and make sure that you know which are which. Okay, so the New England colonies were these top ones right up here. It goes all right here along New Hampshire and New York, over with Massachusetts and down by Rhode Island. Okay, so it's all of these up here. And these were all considered the New England colonies. People still now will say stuff about New England, and this is the area of the U.S. that they're talking about. It's these upper northeastern states. Okay, so make sure that you color that in really well. Try to color good, guys. Stay inside the lines. Do your best. I know that you can all color them really well. Okay, so that's our New England colonies. Next, we're going to do the middle colonies. And you can choose any colors that you want to do these, okay? So the middle colonies were these ones right here. So like New York, Pennsylvania, and it does not include Maryland. So make sure you go across this way with Pennsylvania, but it does include Delaware right here. So then you're gonna go straight down right here. And then it's all these colonies right up here, or all these, now they're states. So make sure you color them in real well. And these are considered the middle colonies. So take your time, color it in well. Make sure that you're getting all the corners. I don't want to see lots of scribbling and lots of white, guys. Do your absolute best work, okay? And then don't forget again to color in the key down here too. Okay, now we're going to do the southern colonies. And it's kind of confusing because you would think southern colonies would go all the way down to here, but this is actually not part of the colonies yet. This is still Spain's territory. So the southern colonies are all the states that are left, so all the way from Maryland all the way down to Georgia. Okay, so make sure you color all of those the same color, all the states that are left. And you don't have to use the same colors as me. I think I said that already, but just whichever colors you want to use, as long as it matches up on your key and I can tell that you knew which colonies were which. Okay, and then color your key. Okay, and the last but not least, we're going to do the Spanish territory. So this, again, was still part of Spain. And where you're reading at, this is still part of Spain. So we're just going to kind of just block it off right here. Although most of this over here is still part of Spain, we're just going to color this bottom part right now because it's just trying to show you all the land along the East Coast. So then you color this down here. It says the Spanish territory. Okay, and later on you will do a paper or another map, and it will do the westward expansion, and it will show you the rest of the U.S. and all of that. And so as you're reading, if it mentions the New England colonies, middle colonies, southern colonies, or whatever, just think back to this map and remember where they all are, so it gets you a better picture of it in your mind, okay? There will be quite a few more map activities over the next few weeks and so just make sure that you're coloring them, you're doing your work good. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to have your parents call me or text me or do whatever y'all need to do to get the answers to those. I really miss you guys. I hope you're all having a good time. I hope you're learning well, and I will talk to you later.